Hello everybody, I'll be putting on my makeup today and I will be doing an eye tutorial basically, but I'll just do my whole face anyway. So I'm putting some primer on and I'm using the Luscious Angel Eyes Primer Base Nude because I'm going to focus on my eyes. I want the colors to stand out more. I usually go with the dark colors, but today I'm going to go lighter. And those are the four colors that I'm going to use. The first one I'm going to put on, you'll see, is Valencia, and I'm going to cover my whole lid with Valencia. It's a pretty soft color that I wanted to try. And of course I'm using the Mascara Beauty products for the brushes. I'm using the brushes as well. The brushes are really nice. What I like about those is they're double-ended. So if you were to travel, you could take one or two and then you end up with four, which I love. The bristles on them are fabulous. They blend well. They're soft. They do the job pretty good. So there I covered my eyes with Valencia, and I put a little on the bottom, just towards the outer part of my eye. Now I'm putting in the color, I'm putting on the color Zion. And Zion is a little bit, it's a beautiful color. It's to me it's kind of rustic. It's really pretty. I think anyone can use that color. If you notice, I don't go all the way to the inner corner of my eye. I just put it towards the outer corner. And also, if you look, I don't close my eyes. I make sure my eyes are open so I can go above my lid so that when I'm looking straight, you could see the color on my eye and it doesn't hide in my lid only. And I put a little bit on the bottom, of course. And most important is you always want to blend. Blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going to a lighter color, similar to Valencia, but with a shine or a shimmer on it. And it is called Crush. Once again, all these eyeshadows are from Mascara. This one is Crush. It has a little shimmer in it. I want to keep my eyes bright on the corners, inner corners of my eyes. Those looks I give, oh my. And then I put the shinier Crush eyeshadow on the inner corner of my eyes on the bottom. Now if you notice, I have a light blue brush. That one is the Sigma brushes. I really like those. I had those first before the mascara, and I love them. To compare them, I think they both work just as good, but what I like about the mascara one is they're double-ended. Now I'm putting on Salem, the eyeshadow Salem, and if you notice, I'm not doing my whole eye with the dark color. I'm just making an illusion that my eyes go up on the edges, on the side edges. So they go towards up on the edge where my eyebrows end. They kind of like angle towards that. And then I blend it in towards the center of my eye. I don't go any further in. And then I blend that in just a little bit in the crease so that all the colors are blending in nicely and naturally. And this doesn't take long at all. This is really quick. It's really easy. Now I'm going to be using Salem because I have it with me on those colors. I'm just going to use Salem, which is a dark color for my eyebrows. Eyebrows are important. It brings out the color of your eyeshadow. and defines your eyes even more. Now remember, when you do your eyebrows, I have contacts so my eyes get dry. When you do your eyebrows, you have to tell your eyebrows how you want them to look. They can't tell you. So direct them in the way you want them to be shaped. You can go wider if you want, and you can go thinner if you want. There you go. Brings out more color to the eyeshadow and around the eyes. Now I'm using the NYX black liner, which I love. I'm sharpening it up because you need them sharpened. You don't want them dull because you'll be going around your eye and in the inner lid of your eye, and you don't want to poke yourself. That would hurt. So it is a waterproof extreme shine eyeliner, and it glides on really nice. It's an NYX professional makeup eyeliner. Now if you notice on the top of my lids, I line all the way across from one end to the other on both. I'm not going to do the bottom because I want my shadows to show more than anything, so I'm using less liner, and I'm making sure my angle goes towards up by my eyebrows. And of course, blend, blend, blend. And then I'm using my favorite Maybelline Total Temptations black mascara. There's a lot of benefits to that mascara. It makes your eyelashes super thick, makes them longer, and for some unknown reason, ever since I've been using it, my lashes have grown. So I'm stuck on it right now until I find something better than that. Who can ask for anything more, right? So if you notice, I did my eyes first before I put my foundation on. The reason why is because you end up having to refix it after you put your eyeshadow on, because sometimes the powder goes towards the shadow powder goes down the bottom, and then you have to blend it in, and then you end up having too much makeup. So I did my eyes first, and then now I'm putting all my highlights on and my contouring. And with that, around my eyes and the creases where I smile, I keep it light. I keep a candlelit color mascara highlight in those areas, and down my nose and around my eyebrows, it's candlelit. And if you notice, when I put that on, it made my eyeshadow look even more colorful, and that's what we want. Now I'm using Mango. I usually use Papaya, but because of winter time, my skin is getting lighter, so I changed to Mango, which is really cool because I have Mango, Papaya, and Candlelit and other colors here with me. And usually when you buy a bottle at the store, you can only get one color because they cost a fortune. Well, these ones are not expensive at all. So I put Mango all over. Always blend in your neck with your face so it matches. So Mango is the frame of my face all the way around, and Candlelit is the center. And now I'm going to bring out my cheekbones and lower my forehead. When I wear a ponytail and I pull my hair back, I don't like my forehead just to be all forehead, so I kind of blend that in as a shadow, like my forehead is a little bit smaller. You notice that it did that. And then I put a trim on my nose so my nose looks more narrow, and I keep the center light, and then I put the contour along the side, not the sides of the nose, but on the edge of the nose. Now I'm going to blend all that in with the Stay Spray, the mascara Stay Spray, which number one, I love the way it smells, and number two, it actually works really well. There's my other brush. I like that brush because it's narrow and it's tight bristles, so it just goes exactly where I want it. And I put some on the outer part of my lip so that my lip looks a little bit larger. And then I'm going to put my cheek color on, which is Sandstone, double-ended brush. That side, the larger side, the bristles are really loose, and that helps blend your makeup in very well. Always end up with that brush to blend it all in. Now I'm going to darken I'm going to line my lips with the dark color contour, so they can look a little bit larger than what they are. And of course, my favorite, Maybelline Matte lipstick. It's called Super Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline. And that color is, I think it is Seductress. That's a win-win on that color lipstick, because you can also color it with any other color on top, which I put some Sandstone from the Lip and Cheek mascara product. Now I'm adding my Stay Spray to everything. I'm going to tap off the excess, and I think I'm done. I hope this helped you. Thank you.